Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Oneplus model and OS version so you know which menus appear. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Privacy or Sound and Vibration. These locations hold call and recording controls. Make sure you remove or disable third-party recorder apps because they can override system behavior. You do this now to avoid conflicts. Perform a quick reboot after disabling apps so system services refresh, and then return to Settings to continue with built-in options. Now access the phone app settings. Open Phone, tap the three dots or gear, and choose Call Recording. You will turn off automatic call recording or any recording prompts here. This stops the audible notification that plays during calls. If prompts persist, go to App Permissions, find Phone, and revoke microphone or notification access temporarily to test behavior. Make sure to re-enable only the permissions required after verifying the voice stops. This isolates whether the phone or an app triggers the recorded voice. Finish by restarting your Oneplus and making a short test call to confirm the voice is gone. If the announcement still plays, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the cause. Safe mode disables added apps so you can pinpoint the offender. If that narrows it down, uninstall the problematic app. As a last step, reset phone app preferences. This clears custom defaults without erasing data. If nothing works, perform a factory reset after backing up. That resolves persistent system-level issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.